Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 3.4, Problem 4. This is Section 3.4, Problem 4. It says multiply the given numbers, 0.84 times 1.5. So if I'm going to multiply this by hand, I prefer to write it in a vertical format. You don't really need the 0 in front of the 0.84, so I can write 0.84 times 1.5. And I'm going to go ahead and multiply that as if it's just 84 times 15. Just at first, ignore the decimals as if they're not even there. And start multiplying. 5 times 4 is 20. Write the 0, carry the 2. 5 times 8 is 40. 40 plus the 2 more that I carried is 42. Now when I go down to the next level, I want to slide over to the left by 1 position. You can put in a 0 to hold your spot if you like, or just leave a blank spot. Now 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 8 is 8. Now I'll go ahead and add those together. 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 4 is 6. 4 plus 8 is 12. So if the problem were just 84 times 15, the answer would be 1,260. But now I have to put the decimal in. So what you want to do is look at how many places you have after the decimal in the question. I have 1, 2, 3 places after the decimal in the question. So I need the same number of places after the decimal in the answer. So take that 1,260 and to have 3 places after the decimal, you would put it in between the 1 and the 2. It would become 1.260. Now, zeros at the end for the decimal, you don't really need to have them. So I can just say that the answer is 1.26.